Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to discuss about one of the interesting topic, that is amplifiers versus repeaters. So both these are the electronic devices mostly used in the communication. Fine, let's see the photograph of an amplifier initially. So it is a photograph of an amplifier. So it is one of the electronic device especially used in analog communication. So let's see the photograph of repeater. So a repeater, so it is a small device that plugs directly into a power outlet. So positioning the repeater in right location is very important. So we have to locate the repeater where Wi-Fi signal is very strong. Especially, so this repeater is used in the digital communication, whereas this amplifier is used in the analog communication. So a major difference between this amplifier and this repeater is amplifier just amplifies the signal, but this repeater internally consists of an amplifier. That's why along with amplification, so it also reshapes the signal. So major difference is amplifier just amplifies the signal, but repeater amplifies the signal and also it will reshape the signal. Okay, it is just a small device, it's one of the electronic device. We can directly plug into a power outlet. Right. So let's see the introduction. The major difference between amplifier and repeater is that an amplifier amplifies the weak signal and noise associated with the signal also gets amplified. So here the thing is, so whenever the amplifier amplifies the signal, along with the signal noise also get amplified by using the amplifier. So it is the drawback of an amplifier. Why? Because along with the signal noise also gets amplified by using amplifier. So when compared to the repeater, so repeater just amplifies the signal but it will not amplify the noise, just like an amplifier. So repeater just amplifies the signal only. Okay, it will not amplify the noise. So internally a repeater consists of an amplifier circuit and a reshaping circuit. This reshaping circuit is used to reshape the shape of an signal. Right? So let's see the amplifier first and amplifier block diagram. So all these things we are going to discuss now. So amplifier internally consists of transistors, capacitors, so which are used to couple the signal from one circuit to another circuit. So the energy required by the amplifier to amplify the distorted signal is transferred to it by the DC power source. That means generally amplifier uses a DC power, while internally amplifier consists of transistors and the capacitors, while it uses DC power simply. So let's see the amplifier block diagram. So here the input signal coming from the transmitter, so it is assume that it is a transmitter. The input signal coming from, so this is the input signal coming from the transmitter, so it will fed to this amplifier. So this amplifier internally consists of transistors and capacitors, right? So it will these will helpful to raise the amplitude of the signal. So finally it will again transfer to the receiver. So initially we are giving this signal at the transmitter side. Finally we can get a amplified version of the signal at the transmitter side by using this amplifier circuit. This amplifier uses simply DC power. Right? So next one. So let's see the definition of an amplifier. So an electronic device that is used to boost the power level of an input signal. It is known as simply amplifiers. Amplifiers are basically used in the wireless communication system. Both amplifiers and repeaters both are used in the wireless communication system only, but amplifiers especially used in analog communication, whereas repeaters used in the digital communication. So we have different types of classifications, that is single stage amplifiers, multi-stage amplifiers, small signal amplifiers, large signal amplifiers, etc. So let's talk about single stage amplifiers. A single stage amplifier consists of only a single transistor, whereas a multi-stage amplifier will consist of multiple transistors. So what is the advantage of multi-stage amplifiers? Means by using the multi-stage amplifiers, we can increase the gain. Fine. So that is the advantage of multi-stage amplifiers. Single stage means only one transistor. Multi-stage means more than one transistor. That's it. Sometimes optical signals are also needed to be amplified. So in that case, optical amplifiers are used. Okay. So another classification is also there. So that is small signal amplifiers and large signal amplifiers. Small signal amplifiers are also called voltage amplifiers. So these are basically used for the amplification of a small input signal. Small signal amplifier means these are used for the amplification of small signal, whereas large signal amplifiers means these are used for amplification of a large input signal. So small signal amplifiers increase the voltage level of the input signal and it will generate the output finally. Fine. So next one, let's talk about a repeater. So a repeater, it is an electronic device especially used in digital communication. So I had already said, so it is one of the small device which can directly plug into a power outlet. So we have to place this repeater at a correct position where the Wi-Fi location is very strong. Okay. So the repeater connects to the Wi-Fi network and boosts the signal strength from its location outward. So see here, so it is a repeater block diagram. So the repeater consists of a transmitter, a receiver. Internally, repeater consists of a reshaping circuit, and its repeater also consists of a amplifier circuit also. Okay. So in repeater we can observe the amplifier, but in amplifier we can't observe the repeater. So the repeater, within the repeater we can observe the amplifier circuit and the reshaping circuit. So the repeater sometimes also consists of an antenna. Fine. So here repeater also consists of a duplexer. So a duplexer means the same antenna will be used for the transmission purpose as well as the reception purpose. Duplexer means it is simply an antenna only. So it is a block diagram of a repeater. Repeater consists of transmitter, a receiver, reshaping circuit, amplifier circuit, and sometimes antenna. So it is all about the repeater block diagram. So see here, a repeater is one of the crucial device which is especially used in digital communication, as I had said. So repeater internally consists of a reshaping circuit. So in addition to an amplifier circuit, it will consist of reshaping circuit along with an amplifier circuit. So see here, so now just think about a communication system which amplifies the weak signal by providing high power gain. So before this amplified signal reaches the destination, it is reshaped by a circuit in the repeater. So amplifier just amplifies the signal, but a repeater also amplifies the signal, but it has the capability to reshape the signal. So that is the speciality of a repeater when compared to an amplifier. So this reshaping phenomena is sometimes which makes a repeater a better choice in the digital communication. So that's why this repeater plays a vital role in the digital communication. Why? Because it internally consists of a reshaping circuit. So the repeater repeats the signal from the transmitter and supplies to another repeater with high power gain. So I had already said repeater also consists of an amplifier circuit. Moreover, the repeaters can be designed according to the nature of a communication system. Simply remember guys, repeater mainly used in the digital communication system. Internally, repeater consists of a reshaping circuit and an amplifier circuit. Okay. Sometimes it will consist of an antenna also. Okay. So let's talk about the major differences between the amplifiers and the repeaters. So both amplifiers and repeaters are used in the communication. Only both these repeaters and amplifiers used in communication only. Especially amplifiers used in analog communication, whereas repeaters used in the digital communication. So this amplifier and repeaters both are used for energizing a weak signal. So in order to amplify the weak signal, we are using these amplifiers and repeaters. But amplifier just amplifies the signal, but the repeater also amplifies the signal, but it will reshape the signal also. It has that particular capability. Okay, but amplifier generally deals with analog, whereas the repeater mostly deals with digital signals. Amplifier does not reshape the signal, while repeater reshapes the signal. Okay, so the crucial feature which distinguishes amplifier and repeater is that amplifier also amplifies the noise along with the information signal. Okay, so it is a major difference between the amplifier and the repeater. So amplifier amplifies the noise along with the information signal, but repeater just amplifies the information signal only, but it will not amplify the noise signal. So that is the speciality of the repeater. So repeater has another capability also, it will reshape the signal. So it will not amplify the noise signal just like a amplifier. So it is all about repeaters and amplifiers. Both are electronic components, both are used in the communication. Especially this amplifier used in analog, whereas this repeater used in the digital communication. So both are used in wireless communications. Thank you.